Welcome back to Autoscope. When it comes to elegance and mobility, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the best. External, the design combines the elegance of a modern car with the sophistication of a premium RV. Smooth, aerodynamic body lines reduce wind resistance, while the use of strong, lightweight composite materials increases stability and efficiency. Among the numerous features that make the STX famous for its full customization ability is a hydraulic slide-out that expands the interior space when parked. One of the most distinctive features is the integrated back garage, which can accommodate several motorcycles or a small sports vehicle. This garage has hydraulic doors and a platform for easy loading and unloading. Inside, the interior is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, utilizing the finest materials. The helm area and the living area are a wonderful match. It features the most recent Actros technology, including MirrorCam, a camera that takes the place of the rearview mirror, a multimedia cockpit with two digital displays, and sophisticated driver support systems. This area typically features cozy couches, an extending dining table, and a full entertainment system with a large flat-screen TV and an excellent sound system. The kitchen looks like it belongs in a fancy home. Major manufacturers have included built-in amenities including an oven, microwave, dishwasher, full-size refrigerator and freezer, and induction cooktop. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and panoramic views. The Mercedes-Benz OM 471 or OM 473 inline-six diesel engine, which offers lots of power and torque, enables the RV to easily traverse a range of terrain. Equipped with a rooftop solar panel system, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, and a backup diesel generator. Users can control nearly every function through a central control system using a touch panel or smartphone app. Security system for added peace of mind. It is equipped with external security cameras, an alarm system, and a GPS tracker.